How to make your PC faster for free. You don't need any software. Just follow these simple steps and increase the speed of your PC or laptop. Step 1. Press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Step 2. Type %temp% and enter. Step 3. Select all files and delete. Step 4. Repeat step 1 and type temp. Then press enter. Step 5. Select all files and delete again. Step 6. Once again, press Windows plus R key and type tree, then enter. Wait for it to complete. Once completed, check your PC speed now. I hope your PC is running faster now. Click on Disk Cleanup and select all files. Delete these files and click OK.